Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Learn Relative Consult. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create geodatabase, feature dataset, and feature class in Exercise 6. Before we proceed on today's topic, let us recap what we learned in Exercise 5. How to organize Arcgis windows, map properties, and workspace settings. In Exercise 5, we learn how to dock windows. Secondly, we learn how to open extra toolbars. Thirdly, we learn map documents, properties, and workspace settings. And lastly, we learn how to load extensions. So today's lesson will be teaching you how to create geodatabase, feature dataset, feature class in Exercise 6. So let's get started. This support sheet is designed to make you familiar with the process of creating a new personal or file geodatabase. In addition, it explains how you can create a new feature dataset, a new feature class inside or outside a geodatabase. So I will teach you how data is being organized in Arcgis, so data organization in Arcgis. So with respect to data organization in Arcgis, the top one is Arcgis data structure. How is the data structured in Arcgis? So with that, we have geodatabase, which broadly speaking, a geodatabase is a repository for geographic data. It's a repository, it's a place for the storage of geographic data. Then we have feature dataset. A feature dataset is a collection of spatially or thematically integrated feature classes. So basically, it contains feature classes. So what then is feature class? It's a collection of geographic objects that have the same geometry type, attributes, and spatial reference. So what are the types of geodatabases? We have personal geodatabase, and a personal geodatabase stores data in Microsoft Access database. So Microsoft Access database, and then File Geodatabase stores data in the folder of files. So what are some of the advantages or the relevance of having or creating geodatabases? The first one, they include tools to ensure that all of your data are in the same coordinate system. That's one, all data being the same coordinate system. They allow you to define spatial and non-spatial relationships between features. Definition of relationships are in terms of spatial and non-spatial. Enforce the integrity of your data through a set of rules and domains. Enforce the integrity of your data through a set of rules and domains. So, the first one is I'll teach you how to create a new geodatabase. And the steps are shown here. One is right click on the folder where you want to create your geodatabase. Point to new, File Geodatabase or personal geodatabase. A new file should appear in the contents window. Right click the file and click on rename to give the database a more meaningful name. The fact is, in the feature class to feature class dialog window, navigate to the folder which contains the feature class you want to import in your new geodatabase. Type in the name and output feature class and click. So let me demonstrate it practically. So let's open an Arcmap. Let's do a folder connection. Folder connection. Use the try demo. Then let's open. Yeah, so this is the try demo. So with this, I have to, they say right click it and go to new. We are creating the geodatabase. You see file geodatabase, personal geodatabase. So I have given you the definition of those two, file geodatabase and personal geodatabase. So assuming that we need something like a personal geodatabase, you click on it and then it has been created. So let's rename it to have a meaningful name. So let's see, try. So this is the geodatabase that we have created. Let's move to the next stage. So as I indicated, the geodatabase is a repository for the storage of data. So, and it can contain feature dataset and feature classes. So with this, right click on this, go to new and click on feature dataset. Click on it. So this one, let's say I will name the file like salt. Click next. You've defined the geographic coordinate system. So assuming it's in Ghana, you come to Africa, Ghana, you get Ghana meter grade, that's the projected coordinates, and then we have geographic coordinates. Geographic coordinates, we have Africa, Accra. So these are, then you go to next. So the feature dataset has been created. Let me check properties. You see the coordinate system. GC Accra WKID 416 authority EPSG. Then the date will be this. So that is it. And then let's go to our support sheet. So now creating a new feature data set. I've already created it. In the control right click on the database where you would like to create a new data set. Point to new feature data set. This, you write the name, select coordinate system from the folders, which I have done right. So now we have to create a new feature class. So mostly feature dataset contains feature classes. So wherever you want it, if you want it to be within the geodatabase, you right click on geodatabase and then you can right click on it, go to new, and then you can come to feature class. Or if you want it to be in the feature data set, right click on feature data set, go to new and come to feature class. So feature class, you name it, maybe buildings, no, any name, buildings, and then the polygon, you select what are the points. They are polygon, multi-point features. Are they dimension features? So if it's buildings, you can, they are polygons. So you click next, click finish. The building has already been done. So that's basically how to create geodatabase, from geodatabase to dataset, feature dataset, from feature dataset to feature classes. So that's what these steps have indicated practically. In catalog tree, right click on the geodatabase or the feature dataset where you would like to create point to new feature class, the new feature class. Next, from the type column, select type of feature that the class will store from the drop down list. So let's go to creating a new feature class. Continue. So in summary, in this exercise, you learn how to create a geodatabase according to a provided database schema. You learn how to organize conceptually the structure of your database and how to implement the physical model through GIS software. Concepts that you should now be familiar with include relation, attribute domain, primary attribute, feature class, and feature dataset. To see more videos of this sort, kindly subscribe to Land Reality Consult and stay safe, especially during this COVID-19. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.